Hello everybody! Today I'm going to unbox and take a close-up look at the UGREEN Accessories Bag. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a UGREEN Electronics Accessories Travel Organizer. I'm just taking a look at the details of the box packaging. And on the underside or bottom of the box, there is some information about this accessories bag. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by pulling out the box tab and lifting up the box flap to reveal the contents inside. And let's pop out or tip out the accessories bag, and just making sure nothing else is left in the box packaging. We can close the box back up and we'll set it on the right hand side of the tabletop, and just giving you a look at the bag still wrapped up as it appears. And now let's go ahead and unwrap the bag, and just setting that paper wrapper to the side and giving you a full and clear look at this UGREEN accessories bag as it is before I start handling it. So giving you the various aspects of the bag in full detail before my hands get in the way. Okay, so that's a full and clear look at the UGREEN accessories bag or electronics accessories travel organizer. So giving you a much closer in look. Now you can see it does have a textile or fabric outer cover, and to give you of course some sense of its size, just resting it in my palm, and of course placing my hand over it as well for some perspective right there and sense of its size. So it measures approximately 20 centimeters long and about 7 centimeters tall or thick and about 13 centimeters wide. Okay, and you can see just squeezing down on it, it does have a fairly firm shell design. So even just pressing down on the middle part, which should be the weakest part of the bag or case, so it does tend to hold its shape fairly well. So you can see me just squeezing down on the case or bag. Okay, and now continuing to take a closer or close-up in look at the details. So we can see two UGREEN branded pull tabs for the zipper, and we can see a carabiner as well in black, in a glossy black, and it is made out of metal. It does have a slightly cool touch to it. I'm just giving you a look right there, so you can always secure it to a loop. And of course it does have a carry handle as well. And let's see if we can remove the plastic packaging from it by tearing it apart. So there we go. And now we can see the details of the carry handle, which has a leather finish to it. You can see the graining on the outer side with that low sheen black finish, so giving you a much closer in look right there. And on the inside, just slightly textured, you can see, and of course the thickness of that carry handle as well. So right there, giving you a look at the details of this UGREEN accessory bag's handle. And it does have two buttons as well, and they've actually got protective film on them, so just pulling off the protective film so you can see that radial finish or sunburst pattern to that fastening buttons for the handle. Okay, so overall the external details right there on the reverse side of the case, and of course the front side or top side with that UGREEN branding, so giving you a much closer in look at the details right there with the UGREEN branding, which is fairly flat, printed on to the textile weave design of the outer cover of this hard shell accessories bag. So right there, full details right around. And let's do a 360 rotation now that we've got all the protective wrappings and film off of the bag. So right there, a full look front and back as well. Now let's go ahead and of course open the bag up by sliding the slider along its zipper and opening it up, so giving you a full look right there directly inside this UGREEN accessories bag. And there is a card here with some warranty information, so giving you a look right there. Just print on one side with the warranty information. So we're going to set that right down into the side on the right, and the 2 packets of desiccant or silica gel. So just setting that to the side as well, and of course keep that away from babies, children and animals. So once again giving you another look directly inside of this UGREEN Electronics Accessories Travel Organizer. So you can see inside the compartments with the rounded corners, and of course there is what appears to be an adjustable separator here with a hook and loop design fastening. So simply setting to whichever spot you want or position inside of the case. So giving you a look right there inside of the bag. And of course let's take a look in this section here. So there is an actually padded divider here with 2 mesh pockets, so giving you a look right there as best I can. And on the reverse side, a full length net pocket or mesh pocket as well. And of course on the upper side of the case you can see another mesh compartment with a zipper as well, so zipper made out of metal right there, or at least the pull tab. And taking a look inside, just giving you a look inside of that compartment, so we can see mesh design throughout for the inner compartments. So right there with the zipper, and just sliding it back closed again. And of course we have the separator or divider which is slightly padded. It's right there, giving you a look as best I can once again with the inside details of this UGREEN accessories bag. So like I said, slightly padded, and of course the two mesh pockets, and a full length one on the opposite side or reverse side. Of course, taking a look at the hinge design as well. So you can see, just like that, the overall design of this UGREEN accessories bag, and of course giving you a look at the lining of the bag. So slightly padded as well on the inside, so let's try and achieve focus right there to give you a look at that. Very fine and soft, and of course lightly padded interior of this travel case or bag. And of course the strip as well for the divider or separator being adjustable, giving you a look once again at its details and overall construction right there, and the covering. Okay, so just setting that back in the case, and of course we can always tack it all the way to the side should we not need it, and providing that extra cushioning as well. So very simple to adjust to one's requirements. And let's flip that down again and give you a closer in look at that upper zippered mesh pocket. And let's see if we can see that label inside of it. Perhaps not, because it's tucked fairly deep inside and to the corner, and it is a short strip. Well, let's see what we can achieve right there without disturbing the camcorder and creating any shadows. So I think we've done fairly well there, giving you a look at that inner label. Okay, so let's close it up and flip it closed. And just twisting the bag to give you some sense of its sturdiness right there with the zipper design, and just pulling it apart gently, tugging it open if it does stay secure. So right there, nice and secure with its zipper design, with that two rubber pull tabs on its slider, and of course not forgetting there is that carabiner as well, so you can always slide it right across all the way to the opposite side from it. But that's not very secure that way. If you're hanging, you don't want your zippers to open up. So let's keep everything on the top side for security. And of course with the handle we can always tuck it down as well, and of course it provides that extra protection, being a blocker for the sliders on the zipper. And lastly, just doing a knock on it to give you some sense of its material. So once again, that sturdy shell design. Of the UGREEN Accessories Bag. So that's the UGREEN Accessories Bag. Thanks for watching and happy carrying!